Welcome to week 2. I am Professor Regina Battle, and our lecture this week will be on leadership theories and styles. Leadership plays a vital role in. After this session, you will be able to define leadership, explain the significant leadership theories and their relevance in healthcare, distinguish the differences between trait and behavior theories, as well as identify leadership styles that are impacted by situational and environmental factors. First, let's define the term leadership, which is the activity of leading a group of individuals or an organization. Hopefully, everyone had the opportunity to review this week's required reading, entitled A Critical Perspective of Leadership Theories. It provides an in-depth examination of different leadership theories, such as the great man theory, trait theory, behavior theory, and contingency theory, and their relevance in the real corporate world. It also highlights the development of resilience leadership style in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's begin with the great man theory. This theory underlines the concept that leaders possess innate characteristics that inherently position them for leadership roles, therefore born with specific traits that make them great leaders. However, its limitation lies in its gender-based bias, highlighting male leadership figures instead of women. Let's move on to the trait theory of leadership, which dates back to the mid-1800s, which suggests that only certain individuals possess the personality traits required of effective leaders. Some studies imply a balanced approach by arguing that leadership characteristics could both be inherent and acquired. On the downside, it does not consider the impact of environmental or situational factors. Now, let's talk about behavior theory, which should focus from inherent traits to behaviors of leaders. This theory categorizes leaders' behaviors into task-oriented and relationship-oriented, arguing that effective leaders know how to balance these various aspects. From a task perspective, behavior leadership is the ideal that an individual can be an effective leader if they're taught how to model these fundamental traits for success. The last theory is the contingency theory, which ties the effectiveness of leadership style to situational factors and environment. It depends on whether a person's leadership style is suitable for the situation. For example, a person can be an efficient leader in one situation and an ineffective leader in another situation. In summary, while there are different leadership styles, each of these theories contributes to our understanding of leadership, but each also has its limitations, which supports the need for further research and development in this field. Class, as a reminder, if you have any questions, please raise your hand to avoid speaking over another peer. Also, please feel free to use the meeting chat for questions, and I will answer your questions in the order in which they were received. As a reminder, this week's written assignments consist of 2 weekly discussion posts. You are expected to post well-reasoned and thoughtful reflections with appropriate references to your readings. You must also reply to your classmate post respectfully and professionally. In addition, a 1,500-word essay is required examining how different leadership theories impact healthcare leadership. Please ensure to include 3 peer-reviewed sources from Google Scholar. Also reference the course syllabus, week 2 rubric. Please follow APA format and include the appropriate citations. I recommend using Grammarly and no more than 30% of Turnitin. Please do not hesitate to contact me directly if I can be of any additional support. Also, as a reminder, written communication must be sent to my VUL email address provided. And please anticipate a response to your emails and calls within 48 hours. Best wishes, everyone.